Have you ever taken a moment to look at your electricity bill and wonder why, year after year, we keep paying more for something as fundamental as energy? In a world where everything depends on electricity, our homes, our phones, our computers, our tools, the question of energy independence is becoming more and more important. And that's exactly why I want to tell you about this page that I came across recently. This page tells a little-known story, that of a 20th century scientist whose work was considered so troubling at the time that it was censored, banned, and even destroyed. According to the story, his research focused on a form of natural energy, present everywhere around us, but never truly harnessed by traditional industrial systems. And today, the page claims that some of these ideas have been picked up and adapted into a concrete project accessible to the general public. At the core of this presentation is what they call an Orgone Energy Motor. So let's be clear right now. This isn't a magical device nor a promise of perpetual motion in the strict sense. Instead, the page describes a system based on magnetic principles using a rotor and stator setup designed to optimize motion and reduce energy losses. The stated goal isn't to replace a power plant, but to develop a different relationship with energy and explore an alternative path on a small scale. What makes this page especially interesting is its very hands-on approach. They're not selling you a finished product. They're offering plans, a detailed instructional video, and step-by-step directions so you can build the device yourself. According to the presentation, the video runs about 30 minutes, and the build can be done in under 2 hours, even if you're not an engineer or a professional technician. As for materials, they say the components are easy to find, mostly basic hardware and simple electronic parts. The estimated cost of the parts varies depending on the version you choose. Around $55 for a small model and up to $110 for a larger or more powerful version. Once again, the page emphasizes that it's accessible, doable at home, without industrial machines. Now let's talk about the offer itself. Access to the plans, the video, and several bonus resources is currently offered for $49 instead of $69 according to the page. They also highlight a 60-day money-back guarantee, which gives you time to review the content, analyze the explanations, and decide for yourself whether it seems serious and useful. This point matters. The page isn't asking you to believe blindly. Instead, it invites you to watch, to understand, to test, and to form your own opinion. And honestly, in a field as sensitive as energy, that's probably the healthiest approach. This presentation is mainly aimed at curious people, DIers, independent minds, and those who like exploring ideas outside the mainstream. If you're the type to ask questions, to want to understand how things work, and not automatically accept what you've always been told, then this page is clearly worth taking a look at. I genuinely recommend taking the time to watch the presentation all the way through. Read the explanations, study the diagrams, listen to the pitch, and simply ask yourself, is this worth digging into a little more? If the answer is yes, then you can click the Add to Cart button and access all the content being offered. Either way, don't take my word as absolute truth. Go see for yourself. Analyze, compare, think it through. Because in the end, the most important energy of all is still critical thinking.